Hello friends, welcome to Design Technology. Myself Deepak, and today I will discuss about to set and limit in AutoCAD. So first of all, go for units. The command is unit is UN, and they're having 5 types of units, that is architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. So this is the user interface of AutoCAD. First go to start drawing, and drawing area is opened here. So type here unit, that is command for unit is UN, and press enter. Now they're having types of unit, that is architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. So set here decimal, and according to object we have to set here precision. So keep here 0 precision. If in object they're having point value, then you can save it here points. Then insertion scale, here set the millimeter if object is small. If object is large, then set here meter. So keep in millimeter and press object. So see, my unit is set here. Then I have to set limit. For limit, type here limits, that is the command for limit. And in display having lower left corner and upper right corner. So the down and left side is called as lower left corner, and the coordinate is from lower left only, means x and y, the origin will be in lower left corner, and upper right corner means top and right side is the upper right corner. So according to object we have to set the limits. So suppose one rectangle is there, that is the length of the rectangle is 100 and width of rectangle is 60. So here we have to set the unit 100, 60. We can say more than 100, 60. So go to AutoCAD software. Here without set the limit, if I create the rectangle, then you can see how my rectangle will create. Type here REC, that is the command for rectangle, and press enter. Starting from 0, 0, that is the origin, and we can say lower left corner, then upper right corner value is 100, 60, enter. See, my object is created, but it is large, it is out of display. So in that, if you will zoom out, then you can see that object. So before drawing any object, first we set the limit here. So if you want to go one step back, then type Ctrl Z. Now type here limits, limits, and set lower left corner, that is 0, 0, default it is 0, 0, then 0, 0, enter, and then upper right corner, that is 100, 60, enter. So my limit is also set, but we have to zoom the display. For zoom purpose type Z enter, A enter, zoom all, then type REC, that is the rectangle, starting from 0, 0, enter, and ending is 100, 60, enter. See, my rectangle is created inside of the display. That is the purpose of set the limit. And I want to tell one more thing. If you know that what is the area you have set the limit, then you can see the area, means you can see the grid where limit is applied. So type here DS, that is the drafting setting. In drafting setting, go to snap and grid, and here uncheck this mark, display grid beyond limits. If you uncheck and press OK, then you can see only limited area here. This is the limit of whatever you set. Now we can draw here beyond limit also the diagrams. We can draw beyond the limits of the diagram. So Ctrl Z to undo. If you not want to draw the beyond the limit, then type here LIMITS, limits, and here on the limit area. If you own this, then you can't draw outside of the limit. We can draw only inside of the limit. See, if you go to outside and click it, you can't specify any points or any object. Suppose I want to draw one circle, we can draw inside, but we can't specify outside of the limits. So again type here limit and off that limit area off, and then go for drafting setting, that is DS, and check this box, that is display grid beyond limit, and press OK. Now you can draw anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe.